this is part 3 Sunbilay. So, me, Princess Althea, I wanted to decide what I'm like I want sound. So, like I wanted to part 3. So, let's start. So, Joshua, Princess Althea ay isa't isa. Ay iisa pala. So, let's number 1. Start. Okay, 2. So that's so like trouble. So nababalala ko. Tagalog na lang. So ano guys, okay lang siya. So ano lang, 6 out of 10. So next na tayo. So, okay lang siya. So, I think 7 out of 10. So, 3. So, I think is, ano lang. So, yung cardboard is parang 8 out of 10. Tapos yung scissors is 1 out